When approaching a DIY project, you want to make sure that you choose the right method. What we do not recommend is using poison because for a couple reasons. One, if the rat eats the poison and it dies somewhere, it's very hard to retrieve the body because it can also really have a bad smell and you would probably not gonna find where it's coming from. The other reason that it can be eaten by other animals and then the poison moves up the chain. So just kind of stay away from poison, it'd be a good idea. What we do recommend is using a more humane method, which is a snap traps. Those snap traps will easily kill the rodent and also you'll be able to know exactly where the rodent exists. Use about between 2 to 4 traps per area will be a good method. Another approach will be to identify where they are coming from. So if you can see an obvious entry point, you can plug it with steel wool is a good way. Just make sure it's very tidy in, or mesh wire and screws. A lot of people also ask us if they should clean the rat dropping themselves. We do not recommend it since those dry droppings can carry up to 35 different diseases. So calling a company will be the best method, but if you do decide to do it yourself, do not vacuum it with regular vacuum. A HEPA vacuum is needed, or wipe it with a Kleenex towel without disturbing the droppings too much is another good way to deal with this.